In the box, replacement audio cable for Bose Quiet Comfort QC15 QC25 QC35 headphones. Inline mic. Includes inline mic, remote for calls with Android devices. 3.5 mm plug, 3.5 mm on a 90-degree angle to Android devices. 3.5 mm with 90-degree angle to Android devices. 2.5 mm to Bose headphone. Does not work with other devices even with a 3.5 mm port. Reliable performance. Solid workmanship. Ensures high sound quality while soft and high tensile strength. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement for OEM cable. This review is strictly for the Amazon Basic replacement cable, not the headphones themselves. The cable was a perfect replacement for the OEM cable and provided all the same functionality. I do a lot of conference calling and the mic provides good quality. They are well built and have withstood a couple drops that's caused them to yank out of the port, but they didn't damage. Sadly today, after 11 months of use, the center and volume down buttons began to rattle with the plastic casing, which causes a lot of noise for the microphone to pick up. My audio still comes through great, so it'll become a good backup, but it's unusable for anything requiring the inline microphone. I'll be purchasing another of the same as a replacement.